Click on the link below to get price. The US replacement part for carburetor designed for the Power America APG3009 6000Watt generator is an essential component for anyone looking to maintain or improve the performance of their generator. This carburetor replacement part stands out due to its exceptional build quality and compatibility, ensuring that your generator runs smoothly and efficiently. Upon receiving the carburetor, I was impressed by its robust construction. Made from high-quality materials, it feels durable and well-engineered, which instills confidence in its longevity. The installation process was straightforward and hassle-free. The product comes with all necessary gaskets and seals, making it simple to replace the old carburetor without needing additional parts or tools. For anyone with basic mechanical skills, this part can be installed in a matter of minutes. Performance-wise, this replacement carburetor has breathed new life into my Power America APG3009. After installation, the generator started up easily and ran smoothly, with noticeably improved fuel efficiency. I tested the generator under load, and it maintained a consistent power output without any sputtering or hesitation, which is crucial during power outages or when using high-demand tools. Moreover, the carburetor appears to replicate the original manufacturer's specifications closely, resulting in seamless compatibility with all generator functions. The throttle response is precise, allowing for better control of power output. One downside to consider is that while the initial price is reasonable, any additional costs for tools or accessories might add up for beginners. However, the overall value of this replacement carburetor far outweighs any minor inconveniences. In summary, the US replacement part for carburetor for the Power America APG3009 6000Watt generator is a reliable and effective option for those in need of a replacement. It delivers excellent performance, ease of installation, and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for maintaining your generator's efficiency and functionality.